What is your opinion, or what can we expect for innovative and digital trends that we can expect in the near future?
Okay, there are many, many things. First of all, let me just go back to your question. The issue is not technology. Technology is evolving at a very, very rapid pace. All sorts of technology, but you need to analyze what are the objectives and the people behind the use of this technology. If you are using still a very much an old frame of mind that you want to use technology to encourage into people's lives, to pester people, to insist, to reach your objectives without any disregards for humans and the way they actually want to live, etc. Yes, you can use technology the wrong way.
Did you have a chance to research the Macedonian digital media strategy of our brands, and what is your opinion on it?
I don't have enough information, and I cannot really pass any judgments without knowing it. Most people, I feel sorry because obviously I'm here because of my friends, but I'll be delighted to be here. Most people do not know a lot about Macedonia, apart from the news and the immigrants and the people actually coming and the borders, or the very nice, beautiful campaign that you have now on international media, on television like CNN, about Macedonia, mountains and rivers and all that. But people don't know a lot about Macedonia. But I'm sure that, nowadays, most countries, we've got new generations, new technologies evolving so rapidly that you don't need to wait. You can leapfrog, and I'm sure that the digital media in Macedonia will be almost as good as a lot of the comparable countries, not just in here, but in the world.